Yo YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Zabs back with another video. Today we're gonna do some tasteful exhaust mods. I got a Dinan Xpipe going in, and also got some secondary downpipes from VRSF. Got them coated. Got the finish heat shielded, nice and protected. So yeah, about to get it done. Get some few clips before and after. We'll see the results. Eating a little bit of breakfast with Mikey. Dropped off the car at 360 Motorsports. They're almost done. They're just putting the braces back on and they're about to drop the car. So we're about to hear a sound clip.
Pipe all bolted up. X-pipe delete. Ready to come down. Let's hear it.